So namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this. So I saw this drawing on Reddit, so I'm trying to make this one. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see that it is quite small dimension 1.75, so they are all in inches. So let's change the dimension to inch pound seconds, and let's see. First I will go make this one 0.75 150. Okay, I will select the front plane, click on sketch and simply draw a rectangle 0.75, 0.75, 0.5. Now next step will be I have extrusion again, and this one will be how much? Okay, I don't have any clue. 0.5, 0.5, 1, 1, 0.25 extrusion. So sorry for the unwanted noise if you are hearing, can't do anything for that. So select this face, click on sketch. So this will be 0.25 and it is extrude plus there is a hole here. It is also 0.25. So let's draw a circle 0.25, 0.25 and the diameter is also 0.25 and features extrude, select this extrude up to 0.25. Oh my bad, right click features and it is 0.25. Now I have to make this one 0.5. Okay, so it's 0.5. So select this face, click on sketch. Point 0.5, click OK. After that, there is this one 0.5, 0.25. Okay, select this one face, click on sketch. Uh, mm, this is 0.25. Okay, and how much extrude I have to do? 0.5. Done. And the last one, this one. So how should I make it? So let's make it from bottom face for the sake of simplicity. Select this face, click on sketch. I don't need to use smart dimensions here because it's already, it's already the right dimensions 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So I don't have to worry about these dimensions. Only I have to extrude it. So features, extrude, click on reverse direction, click OK, unable to create. So check the merge result. Click OK and here you go. So we have made this. It's a quite easy one. Was just look a little bit complicated, but yeah, it's simple one. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.